Ew. Ew. Whose door is this? Oh. I wish you could just see. This is like so tight to turn too. And look at it. It's all scratched up. Ew. Yeah. Because our door is disgusting. And this thing's like yellow. Ew. We've never changed this. Alright, here we are. Door needs some touch-up paint for sure. Like all these spots where the old one was at. Somehow need to fill that hole in. But anyways, this is what you're here for. So there, we had to get the batteries. So there's a lock, unlock. So I'm going to go ahead and lock it. I've set up my fingerprint in it already. So it has the fingerprint scanner right here. So I can just do that. And then it goes in. All right. So then I'm going to lock it again. And then all you have to do is put in a code. I picked my code. So then after you do that, then you hit the green. Or the green button up here. I say green because it turns green. But there you go. You can set up fingerprints. You can set up different user codes. I have no problem with this. This is like just right in the garage. What? Oh, and it comes with this door handle too. So yay, yay, yay. And just so you guys know, there's a flash sale for $59.99 and 5 off.